Now this tag has been in the works for a very long time, with so much going on and more extremes and change on this planet. It's time for the weather environment tag from CR. I'll be tagging a whole bunch of channels. The links will be down in the description down below like usual. And just because I didn't tag you, feel free to do a video response for this tag. I encourage all channels from preparedness, bushcrafting, hiking, nature, outdoors, adventurous types of channels, survivalism type of channels, homesteading channels, gaming, arts and crafts, DIYers, makers, creators, and more from all 195 countries and from all 7 continents of the world to join and support this tag, as we are all connected on this blue and green rock. That's the third rock from the sun. Now, weather/Mother Nature dictates a lot of stuff on this planet, and it can be quite sudden and unpredictable at times. Now, weather is a state of the atmosphere where heat, air, and water come together and interact on the planet, while climate is not on a much longer period of time. Now, the Earth actually has a tilt of 23.5 degrees, which varies a degree or two every long period of time, and basically gives us the seasons and how much daylight we receive. And obviously right now it's winter, so down in the southern hemisphere it'd be summer. Carbon dioxide, CO2, water vapor, and methane are all greenhouse gases. The Earth actually needs these greenhouse gases to retain some of the heat from the sun, because actually the distance from the planet from the sun, it would actually be colder if we didn't actually have a little bit of this greenhouse effect. So we do actually need some of it. Not a lot, but we do need some of it. Now, in terms of survivalism and such, shelter and water is considered quite high on the list of priorities for both survival in general. So down below, there'll be a list of questions to answer the best and honestly you can for your local area within 100 kilometers or miles of home, and hopefully you've been there for at least the last 365 days or a year. You can, if you want, say or release a more specific area or country. So here's the questions. Question 1. How hot and cold does it get without the humidex or windchill values? 35 Celsius, 95 Fahrenheit, and minus 40 Celsius, minus 40 Fahrenheit. Question 2. Have you ever gotten heat stroke or frostbite? I've had mild versions of both. Question 3. How many seasons do you get? Well, 4. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. How windy does it get? During the summer, it can get up to 90 kilometers an hour, so gale force winds, and during the winter, it's about 50 up to 50 kilometers an hour, so, and harsh wind chill. Question number 5. What kind of precipitation do you get in that amount? Heavy rain, freezing rain, snow, hail, sleet, showers, wet snow, flurries, and as you can tell, a lot of snow. And the amounts vary from time to time. Question number 6. What kind of storms do you get? Thunderstorms and blizzards. Question number 7. Does it flood or drought, landslides, mudslides, avalanches, and from volcanoes, pyroclastic flows? Well, here it doesn't flood. Well, actually all that doesn't really actually happen here, but down south it can flood closer to the Rocky Mountains. Obviously landslides, mudslides, and avalanches can occur, and I do not live by volcanoes, so no chance of pyroclastic flows around here. Question number 8. Do you experience or is your area known for natural disasters like forest fires, earthquakes, tsunamis, tropical storms, hurricanes, cyclones, tornadoes, or volcanoes in your area? Well, the only thing that really happens around here majorly is, or it can happen, is a tornado. Question 9. Now, lightning is rare. Do you know anyone personally hit by lightning? No, I don't. Thank goodness. Question 10. What is your main terrain feature in your area? Flat prairie land with lakes and rivers nearby. And here's an additional question to think about, or a bonus question to think about. Is the Earth morphing into something more like Venus or Mars? So I'm going to be tagging these channels, and the links will be down in the description down below. Huples Cat's Emergency Preparedness Lifestyle, Just-in-Time Prepping with Will, Green Man Outdoors, Sue Nelson, Plymouth Fens, Budget Outdoors and Survival, Corey Survival, Virginia H, Hiking Deep, and Yankees Outdoor Adventures. Now, we may all live in different parts of the world, but all wild and human life experience and interact with the weather and the environment on this planet. So, as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. So, let's all come together and combine to make a better future today. And it's peace out from the guy from Western Canada with the snow here. It's peace out from CR. Later, and thank you for doing this tag.